Hello, welcome student. Today we learn about the classification of living organism, binomial nomenclature. Why are living organism classified? Why we need to classify them? There are variety of living things. It is difficult to study and remember all the living organism in the diverse living world at the same time. So classification helps in the understanding them and grouping them. All living things have some similarities and some differences. At that base, we are classified them and included under a similar group or included under a different group according to their steps. The method is used for classification by Carl Linnaeus is binomial nomenclature. What do you mean binomial nomenclature? Imagine there are 4 students with the name Kabir or Kiran in a classroom. If you are talking about any one of them, how would you ensure that other know which one of them you are talking about? Without any confusion, we would tell the full name, that is the first name and the last name. This is similar to the binomial nomenclature. Classification of organism is very important for the systematic study of living organism. Their number are so vast, that's why it is not possible to study it in single form. Similar form we have to group and then group must be studied. It is easy manner to study the vast number of living organisms on the earth. Our today's focus is on some point, and that points are classification, role of classification, some tools, benefits and drawback of classification. So let's study about it. What is classification? Classification is the process of grouping organism based on shared characters. That means similar characters. For example, yeast and mushrooms are classified as fungi because they are both immobile and lack of chlorophyll. Classification of living things are allow us to categorize them, to conserve them, and understanding relationship related to evolutionary character and their ancestor. Collect some information and spread it throughout our surrounding for study. Binomial nomenclature by Carl Linnaeus was based on the naming systems today. His systems have 7 levels. These levels are constantly refined by today's scientists on time to time. According, a scientific name has been assigned to each organism. It consists of 2 parts. The first part is genus and second part is species, which are identified. Binomial name as per guidelines of International Code of Nomenclature. That means giving 2 names of each organism. For example, a lion's scientific name is Panthera leo. That means genus is Panthera while species is Leo, that are right in this manner, which are separately underlined.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Till I justified by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let